Good afternoon, guys. Christy back at you from Imperial, and we have Jim Stever with us also. Today we're introducing this amazing Pete 337 medium duty truck. Morgan, let's take maybe a couple snapshots of inside the truck here. Jim, any features in here that we should take a look at?
Well, this truck is gorgeous. It is a 337. It's a 33,000 GVW. It's an Allison automatic with a 3000 RDS transmission. It's a PX9 engine with 300 horsepower. What else am I missing here?
Well, there we go.
I think that's everything.
Hey, Jim.
That's about the truck, right?
Yeah, we're talking about this beautiful chassis here. Can I honk the horn, Jim?
Yeah.
Where do we do that? Right here?
Yeah.
Or can I? No? Oh. Even better. All right, well, let's jump out here, guys, and take a look at this beautiful truck. So let's take a look at the front of this truck. Jim, this is all chrome.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yep, this is a gorgeous looking truck.
What do we say, eye candy?
Yep, it's all eye candy. It's a nice, beautiful blue metallic with a chrome visor up there and the horns.
The horns are beautiful too, right?
So
it is.
This truck is going in the shop. We're building a 2,700 gallon aluminum tank that will be going on this chassis. It will be available as a stock unit. And it will be equipped with the NVE blower, the B500, which is rated at 400 CFM.
See, I remembered.
Yeah.
I'm on it. And this is a single axle truck?
Yep.
Okay, wonderful. And Jim, is this truck still for sale?
Yes.
So when it comes out of the shop, guys, if you're interested in this truck, you can message Jim. We'll put all his information below. And we'll also put our phone number, email, so forth. And
reference to the stock number?
And reference to the stock number. How long do you think before this baby comes out?
We're probably looking at another 4 to 6 weeks.
Okay. Morgan, let's just kind of do a little walk around so everybody can see full effects of this gorgeous truck. I'll shut the door here. Jim, anything else to point out?
No, other than the the aluminum wheels. It's again Pete, beautiful. It's going to be a nice unit.
Great. Let's keep walking around, guys. Let's end up in the front.
And in all actuality, until things actually get built and fit, we're flexible on different options or a design plan, even a pump change.
And that's a really good point, guys. At Imperial, we are equipped to add, like Jim said, any features. Are there a couple maybe you would want to mention that people have been doing, customers?
Well, I mean, again, between vacuum pumps, it could be the NVE 607 fan-cooled Challenger, the 887, it could be a Massport Hydra, could be a larger blower, the NVE 4307. Right now, the plan is putting the B500 on there because it's a little bit more economical dollar-wise on the package, with great CFM at 400. And the nice thing about blowers is heat is not the enemy, and no oil, no smoke, no mess, no veins to break, no veins to replace.
So that works like basically for any application that our customers could be in, basically.
The big demand today everywhere we're seeing is blowers. But again, before this thing gets fit up, it is going into the shop. We do have 4 to 6 weeks on it, so without going backwards, we have time to make changes if this goes into if someone wants to purchase this unit and would like to see a different feature on it.
Yeah, and we'd love for you guys to be able to drive away in this beauty. And you can kind of see in the background here, our shop and production, we're very busy, we're excited. Anyway, come on up in the front, guys, and let's get one last look of this truck. So beautiful, shiny, bright. Anybody's interested, like I said, give Jim a call. You can call us 1-800-558-2945. And if you like this video, Jim, what should they do?
Like it.
And thumbs up. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.